Alright everybody, we're at Duo Drive arcade game. Got 302 Rails Jr. gonna give it a try. It's like a little motorcycle thing. Wheel lit up.
Put down a bit. Let's go!
Those rings, buddy. Gotta collect the stuff for points, dude. There you go, you dodged that one, that was good. Tickets. Okay, we're back real quick. Back at Duo Drive. We got brother and sister playing. Brother's in the car with spinner. Sister has the motorbike. Here they go. Alright everybody, once again that was Duo Drive, Mr. 302 Rail. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Thanks so much for taking a drive.
Big tall.